Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And before I pull the next card, I wanted to let you know a little bit more information about Uruguay. So, Uruguay is a country in South America. It's in the southern part of the continent and it is bordered by Argentina and Brazil. Its capital is Montevideo. And the unique thing about Uruguay that I wanted to share with you is that it is one of the most secular countries you'll ever come across. Since the early 1900s, they've had such a strict division between church and state that since the early 1900s, they've removed religious teaching from schools. And they also, in 1934, way before any other country in the world, decriminalized being homosexual. So it was actually legal to be gay in Uruguay since 1934. Also, the separation of church and state also falls along the holidays. So the holidays are actually renamed in Uruguay. So like Christmas is typically called Family Day. El Reyes Magos, or Three Kings Day, is normally renamed Children's Day. And Easter is known as Tourism Week. So if you ever go down to visit, you might, during those holidays, you might get a little confused about the names, but that is why they renamed them. Okay? And that's how they refer to them in that country. So for the card today, El Gender Fluid. El Gender Fluid, y'all. If you have this on your board, mark it down, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Ciao.